Good morning everyone. Today we'll continue with non-exact differential equation. We were doing type 1 non-exact differential equation. So let's see one more problem. We did only one problem in the last class, right? So we'll see a few more problems here today. So first, what we have to do, we have to check whether the given differential equation is exact, right? So in order to do that, what you used to do? We'll consider what is m. What is m? Which is along with dx is called as m. Okay, so this is m is 3xy square minus y cube. What is n? N is what is along with dy, and it is of the form, it should be of the form m dx plus n dy. So it should be plus of minus, right? So n will be minus 2x square y minus xy square. Now what you have to do, you have to find dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x, right? Okay, so we have dou m by dou y is equal to, so where x is a constant, right? So 3x, y differentiation is 2y minus 3y square. So we have dou m by dou y is equal to 6xy minus 3y square. Okay, so now what is dou n by dou x? It is nothing but, okay, we'll take this minus inside. Okay, here x is the function and y is the constant. So 2y is the constant, x square is 2x differentiation, minus x is a function, so differentiation of x is 1, y square is a constant there. So we have dou n by dou x is nothing but y square minus 4xy. So are they equal? No, they aren't equal, right? So dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore the given differential equation is not exact, right? Therefore the given differential equation is not exact. So we know that these are non-exact differential equations. So type 1 we'll see in order to find a function f of x, that is m into x plus n into y. So we have, what is m? 3x 1 by 3xy square minus y cube into x plus, what is n? Minus, okay, we will take this minus inside, so it will be xy square minus 2x square y into y. Now multiply this y inside. What do you get? We get, multiplying this x inside, we have 3x square y square minus xy cube plus xy cube minus 2x square y square. So we have minus xy cube plus xy cube, which gets cancelled. So remaining terms, they are like terms, right? You can see x square y square, x square y square. So you can add or subtract. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So we'll get, that is equal to 1 by x square y square is your f of, this is nothing but your function f of x, right? So we can multiply this function with the given question in order to make this exact differential equation. Then we can continue with the method of exact differential equation. Okay, so our given question is this: 3x square xy square minus y cube dx minus 2x square y minus xy square dy is equal to 0. So we have the f of x to be, what was f of x? 1 by x square y square, right? So we will multiply f of x with this, that is 3x y square minus y cube divided by x square y square into dx minus 2x square y minus xy square divided by x square y square equal to 0. Now split the denominator. What do you get? 3xy square divided by x square y square minus y cube divided by x square y square into dx minus 2x square y divided by x square y square minus xy square divided by x square y square dy is equal to 0. So we have, okay, this y square gets cancelled, 1x and 1x gets cancelled, y square gets cancelled, here x square gets cancelled, 1y gets cancelled, x gets cancelled, y square gets cancelled. What is remaining? 3 by x minus y by x square dx minus, so here you have 2 by y minus 1 by x dy is equal to 0. So now this is of the form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. You can cross check this taking m and n, and you can find what is dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. You will get this to be exact. So we will consider this as m dash. We'll consider this as m dash. We'll consider this as n dash since we have already used m and n. So what is m dash? It is 3 by x minus y by x square. What is n dash? It should be plus, right? m dx plus n dy. So this is, I'll take this minus 2 by y minus 1 by x. That implies n dash is nothing but 1 by x minus 2 by y. So we know that how to solve exact differential equation, right? How to solve exact differential equation? The solution is nothing but integral of m dx, that is here m dash dx, plus integral of terms of n, here it is terms of n dash not containing x is equal to c. So we have integral, what is m dash? We have written it down, 3 by x minus y by x square dx plus terms of n dash which is not containing x. So this contains x, this does not contain x, right? So we have 2 by y dy is equal to c. So here taking the integral for both the terms we have, okay, we have integral, splitting the integrals, we have 3 by x dx minus integral y by x square dx, plus into minus, you can, okay, I didn't take it now, integral 2 by y dy is equal to c. So what is integration of 1 by x? It is nothing but log x. 3 is a constant, we kept it as it is, okay, minus y is a constant here. Remember the formula is here integral y is always a constant here. So we are taking the y constant outside. Integral of 1 by x square is nothing but integration of x to the power of minus 2. Okay, x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Here I'll take the minus outside. 2 is a constant. Integration of 1 by y is nothing but log y is equal to c. Now 3 log x minus, okay, this is minus, okay, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So minus into minus becomes plus y into x to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 by x minus 2 log y is equal to c. I'll take it as a power here. So here this becomes log x cube plus y by x minus log y square is equal to c. So now log m minus log n is log m by n. So we can write that way, log x cube by y square plus y by x is equal to c, which is your required solution for the given differential equation. We'll get into our next question. Solve y cube minus 2yx square dx plus 2xy square minus x cube into dy is equal to 0. So here we know that this is our m and this is our n. So what we have to do first? Dou m by dou y first, right? What is dou m by dou y? We can also write this way, but don't write above here, that becomes m into y, okay? So we have y cube minus 2yx square. What is nx? That is dou n by dou x is nothing but, okay, we are writing m and n, sorry, 2xy square minus x cube. So now dou m by dou y is nothing but 3y square minus 2x square into 1. Dou n by dou x is nothing but 2 into 1 into y square minus 2x square, right? Now, are they equal? No, we know that dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. That implies the given differential equation is non-exact, right? Yes. So here, since it is non-exact, what we have to do, we have to find an integrating factor, right? So first method we are using m into x by e plus n into y. 1 by, what is m? Y cube minus 2yx square into x plus what is n? 2x y square minus x cube into y. So now we have, multiply this x inside, y cube into x minus 2y x cube plus 2x y cube minus x cube y. Okay. Okay, after multiplying the x inside and y inside, let's check out do we have any common terms or like terms. So x, y cube, that means these two are like terms, right? Okay, so we have 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 xy cube. So these two are like terms, x cube y, x cube y. So minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 x cube y, which is our integrating factor f of x. Now we have to multiply the integrating factor in the given question. So what was the given question? Y cube minus 2yx square dx plus 2xy square minus x cube dy. So we will multiply that. Y cube minus 2yx square divided by 3xy cube minus 3x cube y into dx plus 2xy square minus x cube divided by 3xy cube minus 3x cube y into dy is equal to 0. So now splitting the denominator, or okay, instead of splitting the denominator, do we have any common here? Yes, right? So we have common here. Y is common here in the numerator, so this becomes y square minus 2x square divided by, do we have anything common here? Yes, one x can be taken common outside and one y can be taken common outside. So this will become 3y cube minus, okay, 3 also can be taken common outside, y cube minus, no, y square minus, we've taken one x, 3 and y, okay, this becomes x square dx plus, here we can take x common outside, so we have 2y square minus x square divided by, here we can take 3xy common outside, we have y square minus x square remaining here into dy is equal to 0. Y gets cancelled, here x gets cancelled. So we have 1 by 3x into y square minus 2x divided by y square minus 2x square, x square dx plus 1 by 3y into 2y square minus x square divided by y square minus x square dy is equal to 0. So which is our new m dash and n dash. So this becomes m dash, this becomes n dash. So we can use the formula Okay, we have the solution to be, the solution is integral m dash dx plus integral, where y is constant, terms of n dash not containing x, right, dy is equal to c. Now we'll use this m dash and n dash in this equation. Here we should not you should not take terms which contains x, right? So these two gets vanished. We will have only integral 1 by 3y dy. Here m dash we will take the entire thing, but we'll consider y as constant. Okay, terms of n not containing x. So here do we have any term? This is, since it is multiplication, this comes along here, right? So we have only one term here. So everything is containing x. So this becomes integral 0 dy is equal to c. Okay, so we have integral of m dash dx plus integral of terms of n, we don't have anything which is not containing x, dy is equal to c. Here we'll consider y as a constant, right? Okay, so 1 by 3 we'll take it outside. Integral y square, can I write this to be minus x square minus x square? What is minus x square minus x square? Minus 1 becomes minus 2. That is minus 2x square, right? I just split this up, okay? Divided by x into y square minus x square. Now I am clubbing these two, okay? So that doesn't make any difference, right? So plus 0 is equal to c. So now we have 1 by 3. Split the denominator. We have y square minus x square divided by x into y square minus x square dx minus integral x square divided by x into y square minus x square into dx is equal to c. Here this and this term gets cancelled. Here 1x and x gets cancelled. So we have integral of 1 by x dx minus integral of x by y square minus x square dx is equal to c. So what do we have? 1 by 3 log x minus, here we cannot directly integrate this. 1 by x is log x. We cannot directly integrate this. So what are we doing? We will take y square minus x square to be t. So now with respect to t, if you differentiate, what do you get? Sorry, with respect to x, if you differentiate, what do you get? So y becomes constant. This is 0 minus 2x is equal to dt by dx. So what is dx? What is x? X can be written as, that implies dx is nothing but dt by minus 2x, and that implies x is nothing but minus dt by 2 dx. Or you can take this way, x dx, you can substitute then, right? So x dx, what is x dx? If I bring this to the side, I'll have x dx is equal to minus dt by 2. This is our easiest substitution, right? So numerator x dx can be replaced as minus dt by 2 divided by, this is taken as t, right? Okay, so now is equal to c. We have 1 by 3 log x minus, this minus I'll bring it outside, plus integral 1 by 2 I'll bring it outside, 1 by t dt is equal to c. So 1 by 3 log x plus 1 by 2 into log t is equal to c. Now replace t back to x and y function. So we have 1 by 3 into log x plus 1 by 2 into log y square minus x square is equal to c. Now I'll take this as the power of it. So we have 1 by 3 log x plus log of y square minus x square the whole power 1 by 2 is equal to c. Bringing the 1 by 3 inside, I have 1 by 3 log x plus log of 1 by 3 log of y square minus x square to the power of 1 by 2 is equal to c. Now I have log of, take this as the power, x to the power of 1 by 3 plus log of y square, root of y square minus x square to the power of 1 by 3. 1 by 2 is nothing but square root of, right, is equal to c. So I can write this as now log mn, log of cube root of x into, okay, you can write this way or you can write cube root of square root of, okay, I'll write this way, power 1 by 3 is equal to c, which is your required solution for the given differential equation. Thank you.